Okay guys, just want to give you an idea of the little pond that I get to fish on when I come up here on the north side of town. I mean, for a pond, it's actually pretty good size because it's got different fingers that go different directions. Got some nice houses around it. Somebody's having a birthday party. 9th birthday, Brooke. As you can see, it just keeps wrapping around. It even has a little water park right next door. I guess it's shut down for the year. And like I said, it just keeps wrapping around. It's a pretty good size, actually. You can see it ends right there where those cars are going by. That's where it ends.